Hi there, my name is Sam. I'm a fire protection system designer specialized in sprinkler protection designs. In this video, I'm going to tell you a bit about my work and showcase some of my work skills. As of today, November 2022, I have 5 years of experience in the fire protection industry. I've experienced designing within NFPA, FM Global, and New Zealand Fire Protection Standard, which is NZS 4541, taken from NFPA, so pretty similar. I'm comfortable designing in AutoCAD, HydroCAD, or I have experience using Revit, but most of my projects are in AutoCAD, and I like using HydroCAD because it's easy to produce stock listing and hydraulics calculations. Let me take you through some of my work. So here you can see this pump schematic. There you go, fire pump schematic. Pretty straightforward. Backflow ranger unit coming through, bypass, and vertical online pump. Here you can see pump test header and combined standpipe and sprinkler system and fire department connections. And the next one here, which is the most recent one. And here we have not used a fire pump, which wasn't required. But in this case, the street hydrant was more than 45 meters away, which is more than 150 feet away. So I had to place a private fire hydrant, so hence the connection from the fire hydrant. And I had to use double standpipes and combined standpipe and the sprinkler main. And this one, let me show you a layout. So this is a parking layout. And this particular level, on this one, yes, the street hydrant was more than 45 meters away. The connection is coming from level one, the DCDA detector assembly, all the way down here to the fire pump. We're dropping down here to the fire pump room in here. And then the connections going out from here towards this stairwells. Oh, sorry. Here is standpipe connection. Had to use pressure reducing valve because with the fire pump, so it was over 175 psi, so I had to use pressure reducing valves on every floor. And it's got a second side as well, second drawing as well, because the floor was pretty big. There you go. And on this particular level, it ordinary has a category 1 as per NFPA, so I've used extended coverage sprinklers, Victolic, and used 16 by 16 spacing. I could have gone by 20 by 20 as well, but on this level, by using 16 by 16, I have calculated the sprinkler at 7.8 psi per head. Whereas if I had gone 18 by 18 or 20 by 20, it wouldn't make much difference, but would have had to calculate each head at 18.4 psi, which is more than twice the pressure. This one, let me show you a cap. So here, the benefit of using HydroCAD, just one click away, and the stock list, BL1, total length, 19 feet, 3, 3 feet 11 and a half inches. There you go. Up here, BL1, 3, and then 3 and a half, 11 and a half inches, 1 inch away. So this job is in imperials, as you can see. Every length is using feet. Um, here we use elevator supervised valve and all that. I've also got experience using matrix as well. Um, I have 4 years experience working in New Zealand, so all my experience over there was within Matrix. So you can see using kilopascals, not PSIs, and 32, and the length is within millimeters, as you can see. So over here this is a OH2, which is OH3 over there. OH2 showroom calc using 23 heads. Let me show you drawing as well. So this is a showroom, the showroom area, and over here I have coordinated with all the services, right? As electrical, mechanical. That is why the drawing looks too congested up here, and has been coordinated with all the services as well. These are all the reference drawings. And let me show you detailed notes. These are the detailed notes. Bit of issues I had, and requesting bad interactions, and a couple of confusion obviously on each job. And this is no drawings, and the details, and using HydroCAD calculations. Now I have experience with wrecking jobs as well. I've also got experience with investigation reports, site investigations, fabrication drawings, as you've seen. I can do it by hand as well. And and that's pretty much it for now. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me or send me an email. Um, Thank you very much for your time.